In this clip, we'll be working into your foundation chain. One of two ways to work into the foundation chain is working into the front. Once you have determined the stitch that you're going to use, find the chain stitch you're going to work into and work into half of this little braid, so the top half. If I'm going to do single crochet, I'm going to work into the second chain right into the top. Try to keep this chain flat as you work along to the next stitch. Just continue working to the end of your row in this way, just going into half of this chain. A second option for working into your foundation chain is to work into the back of your chain, working along the little bumps, these little ridges right along the center of your chain. This will make the bottom edge of your work look slightly different than if you were to work into the top half of the front of the chain. Again, try to keep your chain facing the same direction, avoiding any twists as you work to the end. And that's what it looks like when you work into the back. So here we have our two ways of working into the foundation chain, working into the front in single crochet and working into the back bumps in single crochet. As you can see, working into the front gives you a little bit more stitch height, and working into the back is a little bit shorter, but also creates a bottom edge which is the same as the top edge. You still have this chain on both sides, making a nice edge for something that you're going to work back into, or finishing off something a little more neatly like a scarf where you're worried about both sides looking the same, the beginning and the end of the scarf.